Hello everyone and welcome back to the cyber education world. Today we are dividing into a topic that is more important than ever: cyber security. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your skills, this video will give you a step by step roadmap to becoming a cybersecurity expert. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to start, what to learn, and how to grow in this exciting field. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. Alright, let's start at the very beginning. Before you can jump into cybersecurity, you need to understand the basics of IT, okay, information technology. Think of it like if cybersecurity is the roof of a house, IT is a foundation. You can't build a strong roof without a solid foundation, right? What you need to learn: first, learn networking basics. Okay, learn about IP addresses, subnettings, DNS, DSCP. These are the building blocks of how devices communicate. Okay, second one, operating system to get comfortable with Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Okay, you don't need to be an expert, but you should know how to navigate them and troubleshoot basics issues. Okay, third one is the hardware basics, to understand the components of the computers like CPUs, RAM, and storage, and how they work together. Okay, and how to learn it. If you are a brand new to IT, I recommended starting with a certification like CompTIA A plus. It is a beginners friendly and covers all the basics. Once you have got that down, move on to CompTIA Network Plus to dive deeper into networking. Okay, now that's you have got the basics down, it's a time to get your hands dirty. One of the best way to learn cybersecurity is by doing, and that is where capture the flags, CTF. Okay, these are like cybersecurity boot camps where you solve challenges that simulate real world hacking scenario. Okay, the popular CTF platforms are Hack the Box. It's a great for practicing penetration testing. Okay, try Hack Me. It's a perfect for beginners with guided labs and challenges. One hub, it's offer vulnerable virtual machines for practices. Okay, Pico CTF, it's a beginner friendly platform with fun gamified challenges. Okay, sans holiday hack challenges, it's like a yearly event with great learning opportunity. Okay, why CTFs are important? CTFs helps you develop problem solving skills and learning new tools and think like a hacker. Okay, plus they are a lots of fun. Okay, next up, let's talk about certifications. These are like a stamp of approval that tells employers, okay, hey, I know what I am doing. They are especially important if you are just starting out. Beginner certification to consider, first one is a CompTIA Security Plus. It's a cover basic security concepts, network security, and threats management. Second one is a certified ethical hackers, CEH. It's a focus on penetration testing and ethical hacking. Third one is a GIAC, Security Initials, GSEC. It's a more advanced beginner certification that drive into hand-on security skills. Okay, my advice, start with Security Plus. It is widely recognized and will give you a solid foundation. Plus, it is a great stepping stone to more advanced certification later on. Okay. Cybersecurity is a hand-on field, so you need to get comfortable with the tools professionals use every day. Okay, here are some initials tools to learn. First one is a network scanning. Okay, tool like Nmap and Wireshark are initial for scanning networks and analyzing traffic. Okay. Second one, incident response. Tools like FTK Imager and Autopsy, okay, are great for forensic analysis. Third one is a security monitoring. Learn about SIEM tools like Splunk or QRadar. These help you monitor system for suspicious activity. Okay, how to practice it? Set up a home lab using visualization tools like VMware or VirtualBox. You can create your own little network to practice on, or check out platform like Hack the Box or Try Hack Me. They they have tons of challenges to help you learn. Okay, once you have got the basics down, it is a time to level up. Cybersecurity is a huge field, and there is always more to learn. Here are some advanced topics to focus on. First is the CISSP, Certified Information Systems Security Professionals. Okay, it's a gold standard for security professionals. Second one is a OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional, for focuses on penetration testing and offensive security. Third one is a CISM, Certified Information Security Manager. It's ideal for those looking to move into management role. Okay, then advanced skill to master. First is a threat hunting. Learn how to proactive search for threats in a network. Second one is a reverse engineering. Okay, understand to how malware works and how to analyze it. Third one is a cloud security. As more companies move to the cloud, and it is a skill that is in high demand. Okay, cybersecurity professional must be aware various cyber threats and attacks. Okay, from common network based attacks like DOS, DDoS, MITM, man in the middle, okay, to web based attacks like SQL injection, XSS, and CSRF. Okay, understanding these threats help in devising effective defense strategy. Okay, then incidents response. Understand the incidents response process. Incidents response is a crucial aspect of cybersecurity. The process involves preparation, identification, containments, eradication, recovery, and lesson learned. Having a solid understanding of these steps ensure a swift and effective response to security incidents. Okay. Finally, cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field. Continuously learning and adaptation are key. Whether it is staying updated with the latest attack vectors and new tools or earning new certifications, never stop learning. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a wealth of resources. And there you have it, a comprehensive roadmap to cybersecurity expertise. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or topics you do like me to cover in the future videos, okay, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay safe and secure.